In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Zenka Loan app. So if you're experiencing any challenge with your app, maybe your app can't open or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of steps you can take to troubleshoot this app. In the first method, we are going to access the app info page, and to do this, just go to settings, and from settings, scroll down to apps and look for manage apps or all apps. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. So this will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, our Zenka app is here. You can also search your app using the search bar here. And once you find it, tap on it and you'll be on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go back and find your app and then long press on it. And now you should be able to see app info. If you tap on this, it will take you again to the same page. Now at this point, we want to clear the app data, more especially the cache data. If I go to storage here, you can see we have a breakdown of data used by this app. Of importance is this cache data. Now when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects whenever you use it to enhance user experience. The problem is accumulation of these files might cause your app to malfunction. To solve this problem, go ahead and tap on clear data here and then choose clear cache and OK. And this will wipe out all the cache data to clean your app. So from here, restart your smartphone and then open your app, and this should have solved your problem. However, should you still experience any challenge, then come back again to app info page, and this time around tap on clear all data and OK. Then log in afresh to your app to start using it. Now, in most cases, this should have solved the problem. However, if you are still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and look for this app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if there is any update and update it. So one of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of the app. So I'll go to Play Store and search for my app. And for my case, I don't have an update. Should you find there is an update, go ahead and update it to the latest version, and this should fix most of the problems. However, if you still experience any challenge, then it means maybe your app might still contain bugs. Go ahead and tap on uninstall and then install the app afresh again. So by using any of these four methods, you should be able to troubleshoot Zenka app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.